The S&P 500 is up 7 straight trading days. We've rallied more than 8% off the March lows, and futures are leaning higher again on Friday. On the surface, things are looking constructive. Steady grind higher, volatility coming in, nothing really breaking the rebound trend as we await news for the ceasefire. But beneath the surface, we're starting to see some splits in positioning. Same stock, same day, different players putting on size in completely opposite directions in Nvidia. Jermal, we got 8.3 million in total premium here, roughly 5 million on the bearish side, about 3.3 million on the bullish side. What are you seeing here? Is this noise or there's some signal to extract from these trades?
Yeah, it's first I got to talk about Nvidia in general as far as options trades. About 2 million contracts go up every day in Nvidia, Chris. So, I mean, this is obviously one of the bigger names in the market. We see the name moving to the upside a little bit to here today. It's kind of been depressed at points in times. We've talked so many times about how Nvidia is the number one biggest thing in the market, but it's certainly not been the thing moving the market more recently. So the trades you talk about, we look at the 175 put in the March 8th expiration. We saw about 4,000 contracts go up. So when we dig deeper on that, a lot of times when we're looking at these trades, we're looking at sort of big prints that we like to see, right? That signifies some type of signal or noise. And in this case, this one I had to dig a little bit deeper. So I said about 4,000 contracts went up at about 9:03 a.m. yesterday, Central Time. And so the nice thing on the Unusual Whales app is that sometimes you can see a flow alert and you click on these and you get deeper into the trade. And this is all at the same time period. We said about 4,000 contracts went up, and you can see for the size here, 4,000. But the way that it goes up is not what you would expect from a facilitation desk. This one goes up. When you look at the size column here, you can see 60, 25, 7, 1. This is typically not how like a facilitation trade that's a large block trade would be executed. And so to me, this just signifies a lot of different people being active on a specific put strike at the time. And also it's noted that these are the 175 puts and stock was 181.49. And look, a couple of days prior, I mean, there was a lot going on in the market, and they might have been taking this opportunity to try and get some short deltas into Nvidia. The other trade that on the put side that we saw as well was on the 182 half strike. So a little closer to the money at the time when stock was trading about 182, I would say 183, excuse me. This was also one that kind of had to dig deeper on. We saw, I think there was about well, let's click on it and see here. 3,500 that went up in size, but again, not a huge large block. We don't see that. We see 37, 26 lots, 156 lots. So this was also executed in a very different manner. Now, one really interesting one, I think, is the call side. So we also saw, as you said, bullish positioning on the call side. And this one was also on April 9th. And this one, about 7,000 calls go up. And a large block of those calls go up in one tranche in 6,095. And that to me signifies really something interesting. That one occurred, and you look at the market prior to that. Now, NVIDIA has very tight markets all the time. You look at 470, 475. This was near the ask. When at first I had to click and get closer on this one too. And when I did, you can see literally right before the large block goes up, the market was 470 at 475. When we first looked, it didn't seem like that, but it was. And when that 6,095 goes up, of course, depending on how much was on the ask at the time, which clearly wasn't 6,000, that's when the market shifts and it goes to the bid. So this was actually bought. It was placed on the offer, but it took so much of the offer up that it eventually became the bid. So this one I think is a lot more signal than the other one. I think the other one's a little bit more noise when you look at the put buys on the 175 strike and the 182 and a half strike. Could be just people positioning, getting a little short delta for something of either try a flip in positioning, they think, or maybe they were long something. This one definitely is a lot more signal than noise. Even though NVIDIA has 2 million contracts it trades every day, I think these are very interesting trades.
I see this April 24th strike here, and I'm thinking that's the day that the US-Iran ceasefire expires. It also lines up with a major earnings event in Tesla. So maybe the put positioning suggests volatility or someone's expecting some downside into the event window. But when you think about it from the other perspective, the call buyer is telling you that whatever happens over that window of time doesn't really matter. It won't derail the larger uptrend. So we have a little bit of mismatch timing here, short dated fear versus longer dated continuation. Do you think that April 24th is just a disruption, or is this, a noise within the still intact uptrend from the war lows?
I think the cool thing about options is that you have the ability to go to these different expirations and place trades around certain risks, right? I think that's the fun thing about it. So you're right. They might be just trying to time something for a move in Nvidia, and in the other situation, same as well. When they bought those calls, I think they're just using these different expirations to time something. I mean, look, nobody had any clue that Nvidia was going to be up 3% today. I don't think they did, but this is why we have options, and this is why we make those type of bets.
Same stock, same day, $8.3 million in premium, two completely different views on timing. Which one do you think is signal or noise? Well, that's been this episode. You've been watching Signal or Noise. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.